Struggling to add users in Pipedrive? Get lost in settings? Watch this to add a new user in under 2 minutes. So here's the thing. You need to bring a new team member into your Pipedrive account, but the moment you open the app, the options aren't obvious. Where's the user management? What are all these permissions? And what's a visibility group? It's easy to feel stuck before you even get started. But I've been through this exact process more times than I can count, and I'm going to walk you through every single click.
I'll show you exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to set permissions so your new user gets access right away. By the end of this, you'll go from feeling unsure to confidently onboarding your team. Let's get into it. All right, start with Pipedrive already open on your screen. We're going to begin at the very top of the page. Now look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon, usually your initials or a small avatar picture. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select the option that says Manage Users. This is the gateway to everything related to your team's access. Once you click that, the Users and Access page will load. This might take a moment to process, so just give it a second. Let the page fully load before you do anything else. Make sure the Users and Access tab is active. It should be highlighted or underlined. If it's not, just click it. That's where we need to be. Now, look toward the top right corner of this page. You'll see a button that says Plus User. Find it and click it. That's going to open up the Add User window. Wait for that pop-up to appear. It's a small window. Don't rush it. Okay, now we're in the form. First, enter the user's full name. Type it carefully. This is what they'll see in the system, and it's how your team will recognize them. Next, enter their email address. This is important. Double-check it. Pipedrive will send an invitation to this email, so if it's wrong, they won't get access. Now, here's the really important part, selecting the permission set. This determines what they can do and see in your account. You'll see options like admin, regular user, or maybe custom roles, depending on your plan. Choose the level that matches their role. If you're not sure, start with a more limited set. You can always upgrade it later. Depending on your account setup, you might also need to select a visibility group. This controls which deals, contacts, and pipelines they can see. If you have groups set up, pick the right one. If not, don't worry, you can skip this step. Take a moment to review all the user details. Check the name, the email, the permissions, and the visibility group. Make sure everything is correct. It's much easier to fix it now than to troubleshoot later. Once you're happy, click the button that says Invite User or Add User. The exact wording depends on your plan. Wait for Pipedrive to send the invitation. You should see a confirmation message or a small notification. That's your signal that everything worked. Now, check the user list. You should see the new person appear either under the Invited tab or the Active tab, depending on whether they've already accepted. Just verify they're there. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Pipedrive account. They'll get an email with instructions to accept the invitation and start working. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.